Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we are going to make an artificial ladder.
Yes.
We have simple tools that are being used.
Hammer.
We have a hammer here.
2-inch nails.
A hammer and a 2-inch nail.
Or 3.
Or 3-inch nail. So you see, that's a fundi from Bulgaria. He's making a ladder here. A simple ladder. Sometimes when you want to buy a ladder, you need to have a lot of money. But this one is making a simple ladder. He wants to finish his plastering above here in this ceiling. You can see he's pulling back. He's pulling back and hitting. Remember, you are getting these live videos from Bulgaria. And you can also subscribe to our channel for more videos from Bulgaria. Yes. And we have also simple strategies